Hello. I am your teacher. My name is Sarah. What is your name?
Hello, teacher. My name is Jhon.
Hello. I am your teacher. My name is Sarah. What is your name?
Hello, teacher. My name is Olivia.
Can you introduce each other?
Hello. My name is Jhon. What is your name?
Hello, Jhon. My name is Olivia.
Hello, Olivia.
Hello, Jhon.
How are you today?
I'm good. And you?
I'm good. Thank you.
How old are you, Jhon?
I am 12 years old. And you?
I am 11 years old.
Nice to meet you, Olivia.
Nice to meet you, Jhon.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm good. And you?
I'm good too. What is your name?
My name is Nira. And you?
My name is Peter.
How old are you, Peter?
I am 13 years old. And you?
I am 12 years old.
Nice to meet you, Nora.
Nice to meet you, Peter.
Hi.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Emily. And you?
My name is David. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I am fine. Thank you.
Please watch the video more than 2 times. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.